1, 2, 3. So my name is Kasper. I'm 29 years old and I joined ProjectBinder 8 months ago. When I got here, I could just feel like, okay, this is a company I want to join. Like, there were so many great people and people were so kind. That's why I joined ProjectBinder initially. I have a family with 3 kids and a wife. So typically I would either be at home together with them or being at playgrounds or at play dates with my children. So typically that's what most of my life outside of work looks like right now. I work in the digital twin department as an IT/OT engineer, and I try to expand the business towards doing more data science related tasks. I think the best thing about being in ProjectBinder is that you get to work with cutting edge technology every day. And really, if you are passionate about something, you can actually influence a lot of what you get to do in your daily life. So if I find a project that I find is really promising and something that suits me well, then I can go after that and actually get to work with it. The most important skill would be to just be curious. Like, I think if you are curious about something and you have the mentality that you can solve this problem, then you're really good off in ProjectBinder. No matter who I'm going up to, people will always drop everything they have in their hands and just help you out. And I think that mentality is just something that's really unique for ProjectBinder. And something you can also see carry into a lot of the consultancy we do for the clients.